Hello, and welcome to our Nature and Wildlife channel. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of nature as seen through our lens. As the sun rises on one of the last days of winter, we are reminded endings are really new beginnings. The call of the sandhill cranes reminds me of everything that is wild and beautiful about nature. River otters always seem to be playing, however their play is really deadly serious hunting. A flock of robins descended on the small woodlot. I'm not sure what they were eating, however enjoy watching them dig in the leaves. Ducks and geese are starting to look for mates. Canada geese always seem grumpy. One of the annual rites of spring is when wood frogs come out of hibernation, head to the nearest vernal pool and mate. As you can hear, it's quite the noisy display. The black dots are salamander eggs. They are not the stars of this scene, however. The tiny creatures swimming around are fairy shrimp. Notice how they've moved by undulating their arms in unison. Soon this pond will be covered with duckweeds, and they will not be visible to us again until early next spring. Here is a short, slow-motion clip of the fairy shrimp swimming. As the sun sets on winter, a new spring is dawning. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.